So what we can do is we can open the marking scheme in one tab and the on-screen marking system in another tab. So in the marking scheme, you can see question number 4. The correct answer is B. So you come in the other screen. So here the student has written A. So definitely that is the wrong answer. So what we do is we click on M, click on this cross, which is obviously not the correct answer. And then what you do after giving the cross, since it is 0 or 1 mark, just right click on this one. First you select this one, yes, and then you select 0 or 1. So it is, you can see that totally we are giving 0 because there is no other option given here. This is question number 5. So again we go here. The correct answer is B, 5B. So we can see that he has written D, again wrong answer. So we can click on this one and click on M, click on cross and right click, and again you give 0. So you can see that automatically the marks are coming here, and the totaling also is coming here because only one particular question was answered correctly. So, and so let us find another correct answer here, 6D. Okay, yeah, 6D, and he has written correctly. So how we'll do is you click on this one, and since it is the correct answer, so I'll be clicking on M and tick mark is correct, and then I can click on right click and click on 1, so that marks is given, and you can see automatically 2 is coming. So this is how we are going to evaluate. I think it is super easy.